A war has begun between amateurs versus professionals. However you want to call it, the group of Redditors that blew up GameStop's share price this week has won the Internet. We've taken a look at the why, how, and when of the situation for those who know little about it. The single most important trading term to understand in the whole GameStop stock surge story is short. A short is when a trader borrows stock from a broker and immediately sells it at the current price. The short seller bets on the stock price falling so that they can buy the stock back at a lower price and return it to the broker. The short seller then makes a profit out of the difference between the original price at which they sold the stock and the price at which they bought it back. For example, if they sold borrowed stock for $25 and bought it back at $20, they make a $5 profit. The concept is not for beginners, because short sellers take the risk that the stock they sell may in fact rise exponentially in price. When that happens, they must buy back the stock at a loss. A few weeks ago, a Redditor on subreddit r/Wall Street Bets discovered that a hedge fund had bought a large amount of short stocks in GameStop. The hedge fund was betting on GameStop share prices going down over the coming months and years due to the recent surge in digital purchases and physical game sales going to online retailers such as Amazon. The Redditor convinced everyone via a thread on the Wall Street Bets subreddit to buy as much GameStop stock as possible. The aim was to make the stock price rise. In the past week, GameStop stock rose more than 300%. The rise in GameStop stock prices made the hedge fund lose billions on its short position as it had to buy back the sky-high shares it owed. When it closed its short position and bought back the stock at these hugely pushed prices, GameStop's share prices elevated even further. The hedge fund's losses surpassed $13 billion, more than the hedge fund itself was worth. It has now declared bankruptcy. But why did they do it? One could argue that Wall Street Bets did it simply because they could. And they could make a lot of money whilst doing it.